Morning. Welcome to this free Vlogmas. And we are somewhat ready to go. I'll show you now before we leave. Oh, one second. Ooh. My big coat. My very fast, it is, yeah. The jacket. Jeez, and then my ducks, because it's that weather. Oh, that wasn't even on me, that was on you. But for breakfast, we're going to the classic Wetherspoons. Can't beat it. Oh, it's very bright. We have, that's my. We've packed the car up. We're walking to Wetherspoons because we just excuse me, no swearing. We just wanted to walk. We'll probably get an Uber back because we are generally can't say where I'm going. Because we're gonna go to the big Tesco extra.
Yes, I'm excited for that.
We are extremely excited. And then
Pop in.
okay. It's a 20-minute walk, so if we walk quick, we're going that way.
In your direction?
Yes, I know where I'm going. Okay. We'll see you when we get there. We have arrived, we have ordered, just because breakfast is served till 11:30 and it is 11:15. So we've just got in, but I'm very excited. I've got scrambled egg on toast, sausage, beans and fruit, and it's only costed £10. We're in Tesco Extra and we're feeling very overwhelmed. Oh, look at those, Hannah! Look how cute these jars are. Oh, 25 pounds. I've got a card as well. Hello, we're back. I'm actually knackered.
Just hurry up, we need to go.
Hannah, we've got loads of time. Where have we got to be?
I want to get home and you get showered. You haven't got work in the morning.
Okay. We're back in the car, we're going to head home. Are we stopping for a coffee?
Like a takeout one.
Take out one. Drive through, see if I need to drive through somewhere. And then it's home.